अपंगतावर मात करत मैडे येथील जोशुआ डिक्रूजने 10वीमध्ये 83% गुण मिळवले. जन्मताच दोन्ही पाय आणि एक हात नसलेल्या जोशुआ डिक्रूजला 6 संगीत वाद्ये वाजवता येतात. तसंच त्याला फुटबॉलमध्येही रस आहे. जोशुआ पुढे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये आपलं करिअर करणार आहे.
Mr. Joshua D'Cruz is a 15-year-old boy from the Holy Cross Convent School, Bastara, who has just topped with the Goa Board 10th standard with 82.8%, and he is going forward to do his 11th standard science in St. Xavier's Mapsa. What makes him an inspiration to many persons with disability is that he was born 15 years ago with just one hand and no legs. And besides his academic interest, he without a hand and legs, he is a master in 6 musical instruments, and he also likes to play football. He is a great inspiration to persons with disability, and it is also a message to parents of children with disabilities, because 15 years ago the doctors had told his parents to abort the child because he would be born with abnormality. And it is shocking that today, in spite of advanced age and technology, doctors are still advising the parents to abort children because they will be born with a disability or with some defects.
At the age of 6, I played drums over there at Kala Academy, and Brigadier General Lieutenant Kochar had come to see me. Also, I play 6 musical instruments, as it has been introduced before to you. Also, my hobbies are playing football, even swimming I do at PEDM, and I even play chess, and I have represented the school at chess tournament also. At PEDM, inter-school tournament of chess, North Goa.
How was the school support in the school?
Both the schools provided me very good support. Even my friends also played a main role. Like the school had accessible ramps, lifts also, but my friends were a main key role because they pushed me along in not only in my 10th standard, the whole life, as well as KV, as well as Holy Cross. The schools were very cooperative. They encouraged me. They treated me as a normal child. They did not treat me as a disabled person, but they treated me as a normal child. And I believe as a human being, see, I am a human being. I have a complete functional brain. I believe that I am a normal human being like all of you, and nothing makes me separate or special in a way. I am though little bit special, but not a lack of anything. See, I may not have hands and legs, but my brain is complete, so I can do anything. I can even write stories, everything I can do. What you can do, I can do the same thing.
We got to know that you play some 5 or 6 some musical items. Do you want to pursue your career in a musical field, or you want to do something?
Well, I want to do electronics engineering. Originally, I wanted to do aeronautic engineering, but it's not available in Goa. It's available in Bangalore, Kanpur, and Chandigarh, in IITs then. So, like, if I'll go out of Goa for that thing, or otherwise I'll do electronics engineering. Yeah, music as concerned, I will not leave it on. I will continue the hobby side by side. Same time I will give for education, same time for music as well.
Which are the instruments?
Okay, I play the keyboard, the drums, the acoustic guitar, the bass guitar, the electric guitar, and the African percussion instrument, it is, as known as djembe. Yeah.
What is your message to other disabled persons and parents?
Okay, my message to other disabled persons and their parents is that never give up. Don't take negative thoughts. People might say negative thoughts to you, but it doesn't mean that you have to take it inside. Just brush it off. It comes here, just leave it over here. Forgive and forget. Because they might suggest your negativity, they might even say negative things to you. Doesn't mean that who you are. It's like God created you. No, do not commit suicide. Because no matter who, many people might not love you, but God will love you because He has created you, and He will never waste His creation like that. He will always love His creation. Like even if we create or make something, we will love that, right? Or we'll throw that in the dustbin. We love that, right? So in the same way, God will also love you. Don't commit suicide, and my message is do not give up. try and pursue. You will fail one time, you will fail the second time, but at least once you will pursue, no, you will complete, you will pass. Once you pass, you can master the thing. So keep on trying and do not stop trying. And I would also like to thank God for giving me this opportunity. He has also brought me. Because of God only I am till this stage, or till this I have got this opportunity.
You all gather and inspire us, and this way, so children like them also get encouraged and they feel they can do something in their future. So I give thanks to all and organization also. And when I was 3rd month pregnant, doctor told about his condition, that he don't have both the legs and without thighs, so you cannot put the artificial legs also, because he's directly on the hip bone. So, and right hand was also short. So they told all about the child. I said, no, if the child is living, breath is there, we keep the child. So we continued, we waited, knowing everyone was after us. So we waited till 5 months, because we know government rules will not allow us after 5 months about the child. So after that we didn't go to any doctor, we waited till 5 months. So that afterward they cannot do anything. So then afterward I went to native place, and both the family side there was a cooperation, and the best part is that all school, first he was in army school, they cooperated us, and they said, because he was 2 years, that time only he knew all the tables 2 to 8 and all the leaders' names and all this thing, what a child should know in 3rd and 4th standard, he knew in a 2 years age. And he played brigadiers and all this, they came and they encouraged him. And the blessed time was there when he came in the Holy Cross school. Nuns, their teachers told, now you all don't come, we will take care of the child. So we only have to drop him to school and come to pick up. So rest all the duties they have done for the children, they give their duties. So they should also know how to handle the child, how to behave with the child. So this thing, their moral, they have taught in the school. When we learn, that is good, but own practice for the 10th standard student is very important. And parents should sit with the children, what they are doing. It's just not leave on the children. And I say for parents and other children, please give the children chance to live in this world. Who knows in this world which child will come and what they can do for the whole world, what they can bring, like Einstein, so many people are there, what change they can come as a scientist or whatever. So we should be gathered and take courage to build up the child in the right path and allow them to come in this world. We have no rights to kill the child.
I can say we are quite proud of it. When we knew about his condition in the 3rd month, we decided that we will not go according to the advice of the medical or professional advice, but we will go with an ethical advice. And that's how we thought, let him continue, and we will give him life and take care of him also. What we need to do is just give him support, whatever support he needs. And we have come across people of all walks of life. We can say there have been supportive people, there have been people who have not been that supportive. Some people have been neutral, but that's okay. But the positive thing is that we need to continue, and he has been continuing marching on, regardless of all this.